Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see I was getting an error when I was sharing my printer from Windows 10 to Windows 11. The error is operation failed error 0x000011B in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer guys. Let's fix it guys. For that you just want to go to the host computer which is connected to your printer. Go to search menu and type registry editor. Click on open it guys. Click on yes. Now you just want to go to HKey local machine, expand it and expand the system and expand the current control set and expand the control, and you just need to search for print, PRINT. Click on it, and at this point you just need to check file path location guys. I will zoom in my video. After checking it, on right side you just want to create a value guys. Right click on the blank area, select new, select devote 32-bit value, name this value RPC or caps letter AUTH, A caps letter guys, AUTHN, L caps letter LEVEL, P caps letter PRIVACY, E caps letter ENABLED, or PCAUTHN, level, privacy enabled, press enter. Click on OK. I already just created it, that's why I'm getting this error. Double click on the value and check whether the value data is 0 in here and select OK. After doing it, close out of here. For changes take effect, you just want to restart it, and before restarting guys you just want to go to search menu and type service. Click on open it and search for print spooler service guys, PRINT, print spooler service. Double click on it. You just want to right click on it guys, right click on it and select restart and wait for it. After restart done, go ahead and restart your PC, and after restarting your PC and go to the client computer, try to connect. Hopefully your problem resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.